Okay, so welcome back to today's vlog. And for today's vlog, we were gonna go riding dirt bikes, but we couldn't, sadly. And but one thing I really need for dirt bikes is knuckle guards, or I think that's what they're called. And they're like protecting rocks from hitting your knuckles and possibly breaking them. So, and I've got hit by knuckles, or I've got hit by rocks on my knuckles a lot, so that's what we're going, that's why we're going to Malcolm Smith. At probably the best motorcycle shop here. See you there. So yeah, this is my boot. Y'all know, it's a fly boot. And on the middle one, this piece broke off, so it's like that instead of like that. So that kind of sucks. So we're gonna see if they have a piece here at Malcolm Smith. And then we're gonna get some knuckle guards, like something like this. Just like these. But for my dirt bike.
You need a light.
So let's go inside. Whoa. Every time we come here, they have so many new stuff. Like, look how many more KTMs they have. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at these street bikes. Beautiful. Alright, so I'm just gonna have some fun. Look at the stuff. And these are, I think this is where they are. God.
This is probably the best 450 on the market.
Look at this. Here, you can't see it.
Dual rate oil, so it's a much better, it's one more progressive fuel suspension.
That's a cool quad. I'm kind of scared too.
Why are you scared to? Which bike do you want to get on real quick? Alright, thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem, guys. No problem.
You guys are all set?
All right. So look at all fixed.
Hey, and a little tip, guys. See how your boot's flopping over like that, and probably from being in the bag and everything. Find something about the size of his ankle, either a small, like a ball, or because I've full size, I use a water bottle, like a mountain bike water bottle. And when you close your boots up and put them away, put it in there and close it around it, almost like a foam side there. It keeps it nice and round and straight, so when you go to put them on, they just feel awesome all the time. So just a little tip.
Well, thank you very much.
No problem, guys. Alrighty, I did it.
Yeah, he is right there, a little lopsided.
Oh.
Well, now he's got that fixed.
All right, now let's go check out these knuckle guards. You want one of these, Rocco?
Alright, so they don't have the hand guards or the knuckle guards, so we're just gonna have to order them, and they'll probably come like Tuesday. So yeah, we'll get them probably Tuesday or somewhere near that. But yeah, that's what we're gonna have to do. But I got my boots fixed, so that's one good thing. But yeah,
Rocco wants to go back to the river. All right, you ready to go? Oh, geez.
I'm gonna ride my dirt bike on the street for a little bit, and yeah, let's do this. can't ask for much at this park, but I just want to ride my bike and scooter. I'll try to tail up this, go down and do a big T-bog.
All right.
Oh crap! Hey Brad, film this. Oh crap! That's not like waxed.
You can't do it though, huh?
Woo! Oh my!
Oh! You a little dizzy?
Yeah.
There you go.
Yes!
Got that one.
Yeah. I Alright guys, well, that was for today's vlog. Hope you guys like it. I got my boots fixed and I got the hand guards coming in on Tuesday, and we're riding and fill some bottles so I can flip them. And alright, you ready, Brian? We're out.
Yeah, we'll see you all soon.
Alright, see you guys, we're out.
Something cool. Something cool, hurry. Wow.
That was pretty cool.
That was the best running clip I've ever
I
seen.
thought it was.
Yeah, I reckon that's
If I were a girl, I would definitely how long is it?
Yeah. Ah!
Thank you.
8-year-old steals our Willie's girlfriend.